Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So, as y'all can tell by the title, we about to be taking y'all on an apartment tour. This is my man. Say hi.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're at the front door, so that's where we're about to start. As y'all can see, my man is pointing to the butterfly wall. This is the butterfly wall. I got these little cute little butterflies. This little mirror down here. It fell. It don't look right. But my Puerto Rican flag, my Kamala Harris thing at the end, because you know we voted blue. Okay, as you come over here, the living room. So that's the couch, one of the couch. It's another one of the couches. Yeah, we got these on the app Freebie. So like, it was free, y'all. All we had to do was go pick it up. What are you, free 99? Yeah, I definitely recommend Freebie, especially if you got your first apartment, because sometimes you just need furniture before you get the furniture you actually want and deserve, right? Yeah. Okay, so as we are waiting, you know, to the kitchen. Obviously, this is sinky, y'all know. The little fridge. Sneak peek at what we got. You know, now that's done. Okay, let's make our way into the pantry. Obviously, y'all see the little setup. This is the pantry where we keep all our, you know, good snacks. Because we big bags. We gotta keep snacks. Okay. I showed y'all the other couch he was sitting on. Okay. Now, we about to show y'all the den. Okay, so we're making our way making my way downtown, walking fast, and I'm homebound. Anyways, so then, this is a bed. I know y'all see that the headboard's not attached, but it's okay though. It's okay though. That's a little Five Below card that we stole. That TV doesn't work, that's why it's in here. Because if y'all realize that TV is bigger than the TV we have in our living room. That's just a pile of chow. That is just a pile of junk. Okay, we make our way over here. It's a little end table. This is our, sometimes we pull this out if we have company, because we do have a lot of chairs. There's an extra chair over here where my hair stuff is. My hair stuff is just behind the door, because you know I gotta stay cute. But if you come over here, my man is playing darts. We're on our balcony now. Let me close the door because we don't want all the hot air getting cool air getting into the place. He's playing darts. We got this little area out here. It was so cute during the summertime. But my grandmother gave us this little set out here. My gay flag is down. It will be up soon, but y'all currently know Trump is president, so might be a little scary. You want a hug?
It's cold.
It's getting cold outside. I might have to cuff her. So, as we're making our way back inside, you know we're going to the bedroom. And this is where we reside. So let's just take a moment to look at the posters. Okay. Now y'all see the posters. Let's come over and explore my little corner. Okay. So, oh my god, I died. It's my little picture wall. I do have more pictures that I'm about to add in literally a couple minutes, if I can find tape again. This is my closet. So there's two closets in here. This is my boyfriend's. He'll explain his closet in a second. Then you see my closet over here. I have my bags just posted up. Cute. You know. Clothes. I have hangers. A lot of hangers, as you can see, because this taupe over here is mine. It's the pink table. You see the pink. I love pink. That's why you see pink this, you know, pink shirt. Stop playing with them. That's my closet. And then I got the two, and then the other. Ooh. So now my boyfriend is gonna explain his closet.
Oh, man, first, but box is pants. I got this big boy shit. Fucking guys right.
Stop playing. Class of 2022.
You're
That's
trash.
my yearbook, because we got. Did you say I'm trash?
Never said that. Small ass fucking yearbook.
This is my diploma. Stop playing with it. Look at his diploma, y'all. So, anyways, let's keep it pushing, cause y'all see the difference. He got the yearbooks at the top of his, and you know, some pictures, and yeah. So this is the full walkthrough. Closet, shoes, living room, other little table outside area, the kitchen. We come over here. It's the den. You know. And then gotta do that. This man done locked the den. I'm at the outside. How do I even open it? We got the balcony set over there for our little setup. Come back in. You see the living room couch, TV, other little couch. And then you come in here. You see my man is in the bathroom. But this is the bathroom. The linen closet. Because we didn't even really get into that. Dirty clothes, other thing clothes, us two chairs, my TV, the bed. Okay, so last but not least is our bathroom. So y'all see we got the white little rug, the little thing. I'm coming here. So y'all see my last video where I rearranged that and I brought that thing in there because it was so much up there. So turn off the light. Are you deaf?
Yeah, I'm deaf.
Can you turn off the light? Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all that there was LED lights in here. You know, under the sea. Stop playing with them. And you know, ciao. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you know, comment what y'all want to see. And you know, we do it. If you don't know, my name is Jamara. My birthday tomorrow, so I'm about to be 20, y'all. When y'all see this, I'm gonna be 20. What are you talking about? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, that's it.